Hello and welcome to Storeino. Today we will see Snapchat pixel and we will see how we can add a Snapchat pixel to our store using this application. So first of all, go to applications and go down and click on add for the Snapchat application. After that, go up and activate the Snapchat pixel application and click on it like this. Now we are in the setting interface of Snapchat pixels. Click on add new. You will need the account email, the real email of your Snapchat account, and the pixel ID, just two information. Go and log into your Snapchat account like this. I've already logged in, and click on this tab right here and choose event manager. I've already set up a pixel. You can click on new event source and you can create a new pixel. After that, click on this pixel right here and copy this ID right here like this. Then go back to your store and put your email, then paste your pixel ID and click on activate like this, then submit. Now you have successfully added a Snapchat pixel to your store. You can add as many as pixels as you like in your store, and you can delete a pixel if you don't use it anymore. That's it for this video. See you soon in other tutorials.